And Satyam, now what about another set of companies that was promoted by the same family that promoted Satyam? We're talking about Maytas Properties and Infrastructure, which now seems to be in a battle with the government. The government and the corporate ministry actually had moved to dissolve the board of Maytas, but now there's a fight brewing between the government and Maytas before the company law board. What's going to happen to Maytas? Let's find out.
As the legal battle between the government and the Maytas Group intensifies, the company law board today heard arguments between Maytas Properties and the government. This after the government moved the CLB to dissolve the board of the Maytas Group of companies. The government accused Maytas Properties of fudging all accounts of its subsidiaries and violating public interest laws. It alleged that while Maytas Properties had 151 subsidiaries, only 37 were on the balance sheet. Further accusing that Maytas Properties owned 6,800 acres, none of which were accounted for. Also that Ernst & Young's valuation of 6,500 crores was grossly overvalued and that the company had taken loans worth 281 crores. A worry for companies like IFCI who have substantial exposure in Maytas.
We have invested about 2,200 crores of rupees this year in different instruments, and out of that the exposure which IFCI has to Maytas altogether was just about 95 crores.
But that's not all. On its part, Maytas Properties put up a strong fight. It countered the government, saying it had only one housing project as opposed to the alleged 31, and that the company had received no complaints from shareholders, investors and customers, clearly suggesting no violation of public interest laws. And that's not where it ends, with more action expected at the Maytas Infra hearing in 2 days.
The company law board, having heard both the sides, has reserved its judgment till Wednesday. But with the way new interesting facts have emerged out of today's arguments, no matter what the judge's decision is tomorrow, it has clearly opened doors to darker details of this mammoth fraud. In New Delhi, Devdatta Das, NDTV Profit.